Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add trend line in Excel graph. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a data, the product column and total price column. So here I'm going to create first graph. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group here, I select the column chart. Just click on the first option and here you can see different types of column chart is available. So I select the first one and that's it. Here you can see your column chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab and Format tab. So here I'm going to insert the trend line. Here, if you want to increase the size of the chart, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the chart. And to add the trend line, just go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the add charts elements option. And here, just click on the trend line. Here you can see the different types of trend line available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview in the chart. The trend line is showing the different type. Okay. Here I select the moving average trend line, and here you can see the moving average trend line is added in Excel graph. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe.